Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think it's either going to go up to hit these levels to make a running flat wave C, or possibly go all the way up to these levels for an expanding wave C. Either scenario, it should still lead to a pretty big uptrend, at least on the weekly time frame. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this first uptrend is a 1. I still think this is a WXY of 2. And I still think there's a pretty good likelihood on this weekly time frame it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, all part of a big wave 3 of either an expanding or a running flat wave C. Going down to the daily time frame, we definitely don't have a break or structure to the upside yet. The trend is definitely still down on the daily. Didn't really bounce from a fib level either, so I would definitely still keep an eye out for sorts. The fact that we do not have a break or structure to the upside yet tells me the trend is still down, and it may actually go down, which I think is more likely. It will go down to one of these two fib levels before it really does end up going back up. And we do have elections this week in the UK, which is definitely going to be a pretty big deal. So going down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down. If this really is a retracement, then it's most likely just a retracement to the last wave down. So if we do get a Fibonacci bounce, if we do get a nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside, especially on like the 1 hour time frame, then I definitely would still take it as a sorting opportunity. If it does decide to go up and break this structure right here, then I would stop looking for shorts and I would start looking for longs again. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was just explaining, I mean this definitely could be an A, this could be a B, and this could be a C. We did make a pretty significant bounce out to 78%. It did make it a pretty decent move down. If this does maintain momentum to the downside, goes down, breaks structure, then I think it confirms wave C, and it confirms that we should be looking for shorts in a downtrend. On the other hand, if it doesn't do that, but instead keeps on drifting up and eventually goes up and takes out this high, that's what's going to turn me into a buyer overall, and that's what's going to have me looking for buys at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. So until we actually go up and break this structure right here, I'm definitely primarily looking for shorts. When and if we do go up and break this structure, then I will definitely stop looking for shorts and I will definitely start looking for longs again. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.